done. Hey, during camcorder, my country band is voice. Here's Tigress. I like Tigress. She's my
The horse
favorite.
wanted to be camcordered.
I like Tigress.
Okay, I will.
What's up, Tigress? Oh man, that's the deer.
Oh yeah, he is
I bet
dead.
the people are gonna love this video. Really
I can change his battery so when he runs dead.
I bet they're gonna like this veil burn, right?
Yeah. And I'm gonna set my camcorder down. Robopet's still a little bit broken. The body's still a little broken, but look, another gray leg. Here's something. Oh, the deer's battery popped up.
Mom, hey Ashley? Yeah? You know if there's glow in the dark super ball? Yeah. Oh, look at the horse. And the deer. Look at the horse, Jordan. Look at the horse and the deer. Yeah. Yeah, they're fighting. Yeah. Oh, this horse. Jordan, you should tell him Lucas isn't our brother, you know. I know, we're bull riders. Okay, let them go. Should we just take them off? Riders? No. Okay. Guess the ones that fall off. Let me see if this is on his crooked leg. No. Oh, look at how fast he's the bull. This is on his crooked legs. I think. Oh, this one's sturdy. It's sunny kind of again. Yeah. Oh man, this one was stuck. Man, the dad is kind of hot on this one. Do I feel McDonald's? No, we don't have McDonald's right now. Well, Mommy's probably cooking something.
Sure. Is that the one that keeps falling off? They're all gonna fall off, Lucas. They all are. Mini Roboraptor. I guess I'll turn like.
All have a race together.
I'm turning the Roboraptor on. You can put the Roboraptors on different modes. He's dead. Look at how fast he runs. He was way faster than that when I changed him. Robopet. His wire's off to make him go. When he sees something, he won't go backwards anymore. See, it works better now. Oh, the deer.
Let's all have a race.
Okay,
You put the. Let's put all these together.
The horse?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the boat. I got it. I probably won't be able to do it because of the camcorder. Oh, look at them. These ones were stuck, but they are not now.
Ow.
I don't know. What crooked leg one? There's a runner. There's a runner. There's a runner.
There's a runner.
Oh, the mini Roboraptor. Don't hit the white Roboraptor. You can put them on different modes. I'll put the rider back on. I know, I'm putting the rider on.